Ride your scooter, Andrew. Here they are trying to ride scooters. Ride it, Andrew. Show me how to ride it. Jeffrey, what are you doing? You trying to put a helmet on? You want me to do it? Okay, where's your scooter? Ride it. What you doing, Andrew? What do you want? Ride it. Woo, good job, Jeffrey. What are you doing, Andrew? What's wrong? Hi, Andrew. Hi, Andrew. Did you fall? You gonna come ride your scooter? Not really yours, is it? Is it Brendan's scooter? Say hi. Oh, I see you. Boo. Where's Jeffrey? Jeffrey, are you riding your scooter? I can't get you that close. Come outside. Come outside, Jeffrey. Outside. Outside. Come out here. Crash. Crash. You got Brendan's helmet on? Your Brendan's helmet? Your Brendan's hat? What's wrong? Do you want a hat? Do you want a hat, Andrew?